Reel it now. Josh is reeling it back in. Reel it back in, bro.
Oh shit, it's hard, dude.
Uh-oh.
Things out there, dude.
It is. Reel it back in. Reel it. Get Sarah's balloon.
I'm fighting it, dude. I'm fighting
Get
that.
Sarah's balloon back. It's Sarah's. We gotta get it back. Come on. Get it in. Get it in.
Get this angle right here.
Alright, perfect. Alright,
yeah, bro, that thing is out there, dude.
Bringing it in. Bringing it in. Bringing it in. Oh shit. Doing 360s up there. Bring it in. Bring it in. Bring it in. Here we go. Bring it in. Bring it in. Faster, faster. It's coming back, dude. You might think that's a UFO. Hey, bring it in, dude. It's right there.
They're tripping probably because it's floating down. They're like,
dude, it's hella close. I feel like I could touch it.
keep it going, dude.
Bring it in. Bring it in. So the moon's out. Oh, jerked. Bring it in, Josh. Almost in, man. Bring it in. Oh shit. Look at that thing. And it's back. Just like that. We got it back. Good shit.
You're fishing, dude.
We did it. We did it. And that's called balloon fishing.